Today I'm doing a review on Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Cleaner. I love to use this. It gets out all the stains that we get on our trade-in vehicles here at the dealership. It is very easy to use. It does come as a concentrate, so you have to put it into a different container and add water to it. Depending on what you want to do, there is directions on the back for mixing the solution. And all you do is you just take this, and I'm going to come over here to a car that we got in on a trade, and I'm just going to spray this on here. There, that stain right there, I'm going to kind of get generous on it. I'm going to set that down there. I'm going to take it and I'm going to scrub it, and as you can see, it is removing that stain, and that stain was an oil stain. It also pulls in all the grime and grit off of the seat. I'm going to spray something on that again. We're going to see it disappear. And that is why I recommend Chemical Guys Foaming Citrus Fabric Cleaner.